So y'all may be looking at me right now and say, girl, the colors are coloring. I'm not changing, y'all. My husband bought me this dress and I am so comfortable right now. I thought about changing to record this video, but I'm not changing. I paid the price when I chose the safety net of choosing against myself and chose a career path that was only there to pay the bills. So in your head, you might, girl, get to the topic. I want to learn how to get paid. I want to be able to get paid, live abroad, have the freedom to truly create my life in a way that works for me. Get to those details. Well, the first thing I want to say to you is to get paid for the things you love, you have to go back and discover what are those things that you truly love. I was having a conversation today with a person that reached out to me and like, hey, I'm in this career. I'm ready to get out. You know, they're micromanaging me. It is stressful. It is toxic. I want to get out. And the first exercise I said was, you have to go back to those dreams that you left behind, because the dreams that you left behind, those are the anchor points. That is the springboard to get you to where you would love to be in getting paid for the things you love and, you know, basically living a life of freedom. Once you start honoring those things, now go back even to the basics, like the mere basics. If you love details, if you love organization, I'm talking about getting very granular. In the granular is your freedom. The granular creates alignment. And once you are aligned with the things that you are passionate about, y'all, there is an energy that shows up to support you. Everything that you require to access, to open the doors, the pathways, the moment you say yes to those deep desires that you had as a kid, the things you absolutely love, is the moment every single thing will show up to support you. The doors will open, the people will show up. And I get that a lot of people are stuck in this spaces and a lot of people don't know, like, what is it that I truly love? So I have an exercise. It's an assessment tool that helps uncover. The more you go deeper, y'all, the quicker this is going to happen for you. So hit me up in the notes, in the DMs, and get that assessment tool, because we'll spend 20 hours going through that. I just want to show you there's a pathway to uncovering that. And in my life, the way that it has shown up, it has been so magical, y'all. I am highly blessed. I praise God. I am thankful, because I almost gave up. And said, you know, this may not be possible. I should just, you know, stick with what is going on. There's nothing else working here. I've read all these books. I've done all these trainings. Why is it me that I'm not getting paid for the things that I love? I want to travel abroad. I want to be able to do what I want, you know, with my time. And like, just for example, today, like midday in my work week, I was able to like go, we said, let's go have date night today. We went to an amazing place for dinner. I wasn't able to do that many years ago. I was changed to my desk, had fun, and now I'm back here recording this video. Like, there is a freedom when you have the freedom to create your day in a way that works for you. Or if we want to say, hey, you know what? It's time to leave the United States. Let's go to Costa Rica. Let's go to Panama. Let's go to Africa. We can literally do that. Like, get up, take our computers, as long as we have internet connection, we're still getting paid. So let's go back to this granular, because I want y'all to really step into that, because that is the most important part of this puzzle. One of the opportunities that I work as a freelancer, it was so in alignment with who I am. I literally am still shocked that everything that I am, what I wrote down on that list in that assessment, that opportunity, y'all, is so much in alignment of who, like with my energy, like it's vibing with me. It doesn't even feel like I am doing work, y'all, because it is so much in alignment with the person I am, the things that bring me joy. Like I'm not waking up saying, oh my goodness, when is Friday happening? I'm not angry because the weekend is too short. I'm like, Sunday is here, you know? Okay, Monday's coming along. I'm stepping into work that I love, work that gives me freedom, work that gives me peace. What if your work could give you peace and freedom? Like, I'm like sitting here like they're paying me. They're paying me to do this work. So I don't want to dive deeper. I get that this is going to be a series. I want you to start looking at the granular. Get the assessment that I'm talking about and start to look at the things that you love. When you were a child, go back as far back then. What did you love? Write all this stuff down. If you love nature, if you love painting, if you love reading, get granular, like every single thing that you love. Organization, if you love to travel, write all those things down, y'all. The moment you write those things down, those are your opportunities to get paid. We want to make things so hard and difficult that I have to do X and Y and Z to get paid, or I have to jump hurdles to actually get paid for the things I love. I'm telling you, the reason I'm so confident in this is the moment you say yes to you, everything that you require shows up to support that yes. We're here. Y'all have heard me say this at least a million times. We're here to thrive. Why would things be held back from you to live in abundance, to live in joy? What stops that is your mind. You trying to control everything. You trying to figure things out. What I'm telling you is write down all the things that you love, everything that you love. Those are the possibilities, the gateway to your freedom. To your freedom. So I don't want to complicate things. I don't want to confuse anyone. We're going to cut it short. You're going to do that exercise the next week. Come back. And then we're going to dive into the next phase of this so you can really see, like, how do you get paid for the things you love, or even the work that you've done at, in your career. If people are paying you at work for that, somebody else is going to pay you, and you can get paid on your time in your space of freedom. So make sure that y'all are doing that exercise. Grab that assessment because it will help you. It will guide you. And come back next week for the next video. And y'all, this dress is so comfortable. I'm glad I didn't change. Comment in the comments below if this contributed to you. If you have any questions about this process, let's dive deeper so you can be able to have the freedom to live life on your terms.